Good afternoon. Hello, students. How are you? Good afternoon, everyone. Students, before starting today's lecture, everybody please let me know in the chat box. Audio is clear or not? Audio is clear and the screen is visible or not? Just let me know quickly in the chat box. Hello, JNV Balari. Very good. So everything is clear, right? So before starting today's lecture, just I want to check these things. Okay, yeah, my name is Devanshu Gupta. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you guys didn't know my name so far. My name is Devanshu Gupta. Okay, yeah. So shall we start with today's lecture, everyone? So everything is fine. So let's start. Okay. So student, in the last class, we were discussing about the pair of straight line, pair of line passing through origin. Those things we talked about, and then we derived the formula of the combined equation of the angle bisector, right? So quickly just revise through those things. So in today's class, we are mainly going to solve the questions. Okay. So let's quickly revise this concept. First of all, in the last class we talked about that any general equation ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus equal to 0. This represent a pair of straight line if delta is 0. And what is delta? ABC plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square, right? So if this quantity is 0, then it will represent a pair of straight line, right? And if this quantity is non-zero, then it cannot represent a straight line. It may represent circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. That will depend upon the condition that we will see when we will study these chapter. Okay. So for so far straight line ke liye only delta should be 0. Okay. If delta 0, then definitely straight line. Okay. Is this clear? And then we talk about that angle between the two straight line. If the combined equation of the straight line is given, then the angle between the two line can be given as tan theta is equal to, this is for the modulus, for the acute angle. So this is modulus for considering acute angle. Okay, acute angle means if the two lines are making, that you everybody know, if two lines are making let's say 120 degree, then I just want 60 degree. Okay, doesn't matter if two lines are making 120 degree, then this same line will make the 60 degree angle. So I will just consider on the acute angle part. So that's why modulus. But important thing is the formula. Tan theta is modulus of 2 times under root h square minus ab upon a plus b. Okay. So as the general equation of the line is given, quickly we can see the a, b, h, and then put those value, and we will get the line angle between the line, right? And after that, yes, good afternoon, JNV, JNV Chitra Durga. Okay. Good afternoon. So if h square is equal to AB, then in the last class we talked about if h square is equal to AB, it means lines are coincident. If a plus b is 0, then lines are perpendicular to each other. And if h is 0, means sum of slope is 0. Sum of slope 0 means line makes a supplementary angle with x-axis. In this case, coordinate axis act as an angle bisector. Okay, so sometime question can ask the find the certain values such that our coordinate axis is acting as a angle bisector for this combined equation of a line. So in that case, what we need to do, just h is equal to 0. If h is 0, then definitely the coordinate axis will act as an angle bisector. Okay, again this is a very important formula. Many students tend to forget this. That's why I have just taken again this as a recall, that angle between two line, okay, if it is given in the general form, okay, then it is same as the angle between the homogeneous part. Okay, so the general equation of the general combined equation of a line is given, and you just need to find the angle between line. What you need to do is just consider the only homogeneous part, and then a, b, h is already known then, and then use those homogeneous part and then get the answer. Okay, so in this case, angle between line is again, what is this, 2 times under root h square minus ab upon a plus b, and this is again tan theta, same thing. Okay, so we just need a, b, and h. That's it. Clear? So far clear? Okay. After that, we talk about the equation of the angle bisector between the line. Let's say the combined equation of the line such that the lines are passing through the origin is given, then the combined equation of the angle bisector is x square minus y square upon a minus b is equal to xy upon h. Okay, is this clear, everyone? So quickly, many people tend to forget some things, so that's why I'm just writing down again. In the equation, coefficient of x square कितना है? A. Coefficient of xy कितना है? Tell me, what is coefficient of xy? 2h. Okay, many people just forget 2, then they directly say h. Okay, so that's not. H is the half of the coefficient of xy. Okay, coefficient of pi square is b. Okay, so now I hope you will not forget this. Okay, okay. So shall we start? Okay, so this is. Do you have any doubt regarding the concept from the last class? Let me know quickly so that we can proceed with the questions then. Okay, is there any doubt, students? All clear? Okay, so then let's quickly get into the questions. So the first question is, everyone, find the angle between the line represented by 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, I am giving you 1 minute. You tell me the answer. Everybody, tell me the answer. I am giving you 1 minute. Okay, let me know exactly 1 minute you have. Everybody, quickly let me know the answer. What is the answer? 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Find the angle between the line represented by this combined equation. Quickly let me know in the chat box. Just now we have recalled these things. Okay, so it won't be very hard to tell me the answer. Okay, quickly let me know in the chat box. Everyone, just let me know the value of tan theta. Okay, what is the value of tan theta you are getting? Quickly, 20 seconds left. Quickly, everyone. JNV Ballari, Chitragurga, JNV Chitragurga, and Sweetie. Everyone, tell me quickly. What is the answer? Anybody got the answer? Anyone? Okay. So let me tell you then. ये तो easy था question, right? This is general combined equation of the line is given as 2x square plus 5xy plus 3y square plus 6x plus 7y plus 4 is equal to 0. Just now I said that whenever you need the angle between the line, just always focus on the homogeneous part. That's all. What is A? A is 2, coefficient of x square. What is B? B is 3, coefficient of y square. What is H? H is the half of the coefficient of xy, so which is 5 by 2. That's it, right? So angle between the line is angle between line. कितना आ गया फिर? Tan theta is equal to mod of 2 times under root of AH square minus AB 2 into 3 upon A plus B. That's it. So tan theta is modulus of 2 times 5 square 25 by 4 minus 6 upon 5, which is nothing but 2 times under root of 25 minus 24, 1 by 4 upon 5. So this is 1 by 5. So tan theta is 1 by 5. Okay, tan theta is 1 by 5. Clear? So tan theta is 1 by 5. So theta कितना आ गया फिर? Tan inverse 1 by 5. Okay, we are interested in the acute angle, so that's why positive consider लेंगे. Is this clear, everyone? Quickly let me know in the chat box. Is this question clear or not? Everyone. Yes, very good. Easy था question, तो क्यों आंसर क्यों नहीं आया? पर आंसर देखो आना चाहिए. देखो, everybody please listen to me that in the JEE mains exam, okay, JEE main exam, like if you are, see, at any time there are total how many questions for each subject? There are 75 questions, right? So there will be around, you can say, half questions, let's say 13 questions in each subject are that they are very easy. Okay, they are very easy. Around 40 questions out of 75. They are very easy, super easy questions. Okay. But what happens is students are always want to get the hard answer, hard questions, always want to solve the difficult question, but they ignore the easy question during the exam. Okay. So that's why they think that paper is so tough. Paper is so tough. Okay. So that's why you just have to, whenever you give any exam, right? So first of all, your strategy is to be find the all these easy question and do them first. Then you will have a sufficient time to attempt the hard questions. Okay. So these type of questions are very easy, right? This question is very easy. You just need A, B, and H, and then you just need formula, right? So these type of question, if I'm giving during the class, you just need to solve this. Okay. Okay, there is no excuse. I don't know why many people don't get the answer of this. Okay. This thing you want me to explain again? Okay. Tell me. In the last class we discussed that angle between two lines is 2 times under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. So by seeing this coefficient, a is 2, b is 3, h is 5/2, value put kar do, then you will get the answer. That's all. Okay, it's just the formula based question, nothing else. Okay. So now let's proceed to the next question. Okay, now next question. This is the question. Question is saying that find the line whose combined equation is 2x square plus xy minus y square minus x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so everybody knows this. Okay, this is the equation and they are asking find the line whose combined equation is this. Okay. So सबसे पहले if so I have given the question, so I have already checked. So when you find, first of all you have to check whether delta, which is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square 0 or not. Okay, so when you will check, so you will find that delta is 0. So it means this is representing a straight line. Okay, you check, put value, put kar dena, you will find that delta is 0. Okay, so now the question arises how you will find those two lines. So if delta is 0, then it means this line, this combined equation is representing a two lines, right? Two lines. But the question is how you will find those two lines. So I am going to tell you two methods. Okay, I am going to tell you two methods. So whichever method you find easier, so you can do those. Okay, you can get you can take any of those methods. So let's say method one. Method one क्या? This is concentrate on the x. This is written as 2x square. Coefficient of x is y, and from here minus 1. So plus y minus 1 into x plus what is this? This is minus y square plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. So if you concentrate on x, it is like quadratic in x. Quadratic in x. Yes or no? x square का coefficient 2 है, x का coefficient y minus 1, constant c is minus y square plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic in x, right? So if I ask you find the root of this, how you will find? X is nothing but minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. What is c? Minus y square plus 5y minus 6 upon 2a, which is 2 into 2. That's all. Okay. So let me write this down again. X is equal to minus time y minus 1 plus minus under root of y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 2. And what was that? Y minus 1 whole square 4 into 2 minus y square plus 5y minus y square plus 5y minus 6 sorry minus 6 minus 6 upon 2a, which is 4, right? 1 second, just 1 second. I think there is some issue with the PPT. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So as I was saying, so just write this down in a क्वाड्रेटिक इन एक्स, ओके क्वाड्रेटिक इन एक्स में लिख लिया, रूट फाइंड करना है, एक्स की वैल्यू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac, सो माइनस 4 into 2 minus y square plus 5 minus 6 upon 2a, that's all. What is x now? Solve कर लो, y minus 1 plus minus under root of what is this, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is minus times minus 8 into minus y square plus 8y square minus 8 into 5, which is minus 40y minus 8 into 6 minus 8 into minus 6, so plus 48 upon 4. So x is equal to minus time y minus 1 plus minus under root of, this is nothing but 9y square, 9y square and minus 2y minus 40y minus 42y, 48 1 49 divided by 4. So what is this written? Can anybody tell me what is this inside the square root? This is nothing but 3y minus 7 का whole square, that's all. Clear? Is this clear? Is this clear? 3y minus 1 का whole square, a square b square 7 square minus 2ab which is minus 42. Clear? So after that x कितना आ गया? X is nothing but minus time y minus 1 plus minus 3y minus 7 by 4. So 4x is minus y plus 1 plus minus 3y minus 7. So एक लाइन प्लस लेके कंसीडर कर लो, when you consider plus तो लाइन कितनी आ जाएगी? 4x is equal to minus y plus 1 plus 3y minus 7. What is this? Minus 2y. So ये आ गया 4x is equal to 2y minus 6, right? So it is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is line 1, first line, right? L1. For L2, what you do? Consider minus for L2, right? So 4x is equal to minus y plus 1 minus 3y plus 7. So this is nothing but 4x plus 4y is equal to 8. So x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is your line L2. Clear? आ गया line? Is this clear? So L1 was nothing but 2x minus y plus 3, 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and L2 is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus y minus 2 is equal. That's it. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? So what we did, we just assume our general equation, the combined equation, is a quadratic equation in y, and then we find the x values, the roots of the equation, which is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So it's just like keeping your y, just assuming, just thinking that y is my constant. Now only variable left is x. So it is quadratic in x. So find the roots. So ये roots आ गया, तो बस उसके बाद line आ गई. Is this clear? Everyone tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? Is there any doubt in this method? Okay. So this is the formal method to find the equation of two lines. Okay. Combined equation दे रखी है, तो line की equation कैसे निकालेंगे individually? So this is the one method. So now the next method that I'm going to tell you is a little interesting one. So first of all, write down the general equation. What is the equation? 2x square plus xy minus y square. 2x square plus xy minus y square minus x plus 5y minus 6 minus x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Okay. So देखो, so what I'm going to do is just now concentrate on the homogeneous part. What is the homogeneous part? Homogeneous part is 2x square plus xy minus y square. Yes or no? So now what you need to do is try to factorize this. So this can be written as 2x square plus 2xy minus y square minus xy minus y square. So 2x common, x plus y, यहाँ से y common, x plus y. So this is nothing but x plus y, 2x minus y. Is this clear? So homogeneous part can be factorized like this. Is this clear? So student, just now there is one thing that you understand here. As I said that angle between the two lines, angle between the lines, if the combined equation is given, is same as the, just concentrate on the homogeneous part, right? And then find the ABC, ABH, and that will give you the angle. So it means this equation, this homogeneous equation, 2x square plus xy, sorry, 2x square plus xy. Okay, there is something wrong, I think. 1 second. Yeah. So 2x square plus xy and minus y square minus x plus 5y, minus y square minus x plus 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So this can be written as x plus y into 2x minus y, 2x minus y. So now just add capital A here, capital B here, where A and B is constant. A and B is constant. Okay, that's all. Bas. Just now you have to find the A and B. That's all. If you find A and B, you get your lines. So how you will find A and B? Simple. These two equations are always equal. These two equations are always equal. So it means coefficient of x here is equal to coefficient of x here. So what is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x is equal to coefficient of x. Okay, what is the coefficient of x here? -1. From here x का coefficient क्या आएगा? X will get multiplied with b, so एक b आएगा. When your a is getting multiplied with 2x, so वहां से एक 2a आएगा. Clear? So 2a plus b is equal to -1. Similarly, coefficient of y is equal to coefficient of y. What is coefficient of y here? 5. What is coefficient of y here? When your y will multiply with b, so one thing, then we will generate y, so b, right? Similarly, when your a get multiplied with here, so -1 minus a, so b minus a is 5. Is this clear, everyone? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear or not? Is this clear or not? Clear? Okay, so now just this is called equation 1, equation 2. Two equation, two unknown. Two equation, two unknown. Solve equation 1 and 2 to get a and b. Simple. A and b. Subtract kar do. So equation 1 minus equation 2. What is this? -1 minus 5 is equal to 2a plus 1. 2a plus a. So यहाँ से a कितना आ गया? A is -2. A -2. It implies b कितना आ गया? 3. B is 3. So it implies lines क्या आ गए? One line is x plus y. A is -2. Then 2x minus y. 2x minus y. What is b? B is 3. That's all. So this is L1 and this is L2. That's all. Is this clear, students? Is this clear, this method? So in this method, what we did, just concentrate on the homogeneous part. That's all. Just concentrate on the homogeneous part. Okay. Factorize the homogeneous part. And now just add A and B in the equation. And now compare it with the given combined equation to get the A and B. इसको और एक बार और confirm करना है that A and B are equal. A and B are the correct value. So just concentrate on the constant part. Constant here is -6 और यहाँ से constant क्या बनेगा? A into B. So A into B should be -6. So A into B is -6. So which is again correct. Clear? Is this clear or not? Everyone tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear or not? Everyone quickly let me know in the chat box. Is this clear? Clear? Is there any doubt, students? Very good, very good, very good. Okay. So then let's proceed. So you can use either method 2 or method 1. Okay. I prefer method two actually during the exam, because thing is we don't have much calculation in method 2. Okay, in method 1 we were doing the b square minus 4ac, so there can be sometime because of the panic situation we can tend to make a mistake, but in method 2 it's just very simple, right? We just need to find, first compare the coefficient of x and then compare the coefficient of y. Two equation, two unknown, get your a and b. Simple. Okay, so that's being said, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, next question. This question is, if the pair of straight line x square minus 2px minus y square is equal to 0 and x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0 be such that each pair bisect the angle between the other pair, then the value of p. Okay, question is very important. Question is very important conceptually. Did you understand this question? And question is saying that, let's say this is one combined equation of line. As you can see, it is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. So it means it is representing two lines passing through the origin. That's all. So the question is saying that, let's say if you use this equation to find the line. Okay, so let's say this is giving you L1, L2. One second, L2 should also pass through origin, right? Let's say L1. What I'm doing, one second guys, one second. Yeah, so L1 and L2. Quickly, just let me draw L1, L2 origin. Yeah, okay, so now it is like L1, L2, right? So question is saying that, so when you find the combined equation of the bisector of this line, okay, when you find the combined equation of the bisector of this line, okay, b1 and b2, you will get this. This is the question saying. Or if you consider this line, and find the combined equation of the bisector of this line, this is nothing but this. So each line are like a angle bisector of the other line. Clear? Is this clear what question is saying? Each line is the angle bisector, okay, of the other line. So now each pair of line is the angle bisector of the other pair of line. Okay, so simple equation. How you will proceed? Can anybody tell me in the chat box how you will proceed for this question? Okay, chalo. So let's say I'm saying that x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, combined equation of the angle bisector of this line. Tell me, what is the combined equation of angle bisector? Combined equation of angle bisector. X square minus y square upon a. What is a? Coefficient of x square. Minus b. What is b? Coefficient of y square. Is equal to xy upon h. What is h? Half times coefficient of xy. Coefficient of xy is minus 2p. इसका half minus p. So it implies ये कितना आ गया? X square minus y square is equal to minus 2 upon p xy. तो इसको और अच्छे से लिख लिया, x square minus y square plus 2 xy upon p is equal to 0. Clear? So let's call this equation. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So as you know that question is saying that each pair of line is the angle bisector of the other pair of line. Means if I was finding the angle bisector, combined equation of angle bisector for this line, it should have come like this. It should have come this equation. Instead of this, we are getting equation 2, right? So we can say that equation 1 and equation 2 are identical equation. So in that case, individual coefficient should be, ratio of the individual coefficient should be equal. That's all, right? So from equation 1, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. From equation 2, what is the coefficient of x square? 1 is equal to, what is the coefficient of xy in equation 1? Minus 2q. minus 2q. What is the coefficient of xy in equation 2? 2 upon p. 2 upon p. Now, what is the coefficient of y square in equation 1? Minus 1. Coefficient of y square in equation 2? Minus 1. Right? So, ये आ रहा है 1 is equal to minus pq is equal to 1. So, it implies pq is equal to minus 1. Okay? और क्वेश्चन ने क्या पूछा था? Then find value of pq. So, pq पूछा था. So, now pq is minus 1. So, this is your answer. Clear, everyone? Everyone, is this clear? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? Is this clear or not? Quickly let me know in the chat box, everyone. This question is clear or not? Okay. This is very conceptual question. Okay. The language of the question can be sometimes confusing, but you have to understand what the question is saying. Okay. The each pair of the line is a angle bisector of the other pair of line, right? So first, from our knowledge, we will find the equation, combined equation of the angle bisector. But the combined equation of the angle bisector is already given. So we just need to compare the coefficient of xy, coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square to get the value of pq. Clear, everyone? Is this clear? Question is important, okay? Question is important. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. Shall I move for? Shall I proceed? Tell me. Okay. So let's proceed then. Okay. So now let's go to the next question. Okay. Next question. Yeah. So now this question. So that equation bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square is equal to 0 represent the pair of straight line which are at right angle to the pair ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So the question is saying that, let's say this equation. Okay, first I will explain this question, then I will give you 1 minute to attempt this question. Okay, for that you should understand the language, what is it saying. So let's say this is a combined equation of straight line is written. Everybody knows this because it is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. So it will represent two straight lines passing through the origin. So let's say the line which are passing through origin have some slope. One line, let's say, have slope m1 and another line will have slope m2. So the equation of the line which have the slope minus m1, minus 1 upon m1 and minus 1 upon m2, okay, is can be given with this line, this combined equation. This is the question saying. Clear? Okay, so now you have exactly 1 minute. Everybody attempt this question. Okay, I just explained the question. So everybody now tell me the answer. You have 1 minute. Tell me how you will solve this question. Can anybody tell me the approach for this question? Okay. If not answer, can anybody tell me what you guys think that what should be the approach for this question? Anyone? All ideas are welcome. Okay, right or wrong doesn't matter. You just need to tell me what you are thinking. Okay, approach, I just need to listen. Can anybody tell me in the chat box what do you think we should do for this question? Any idea? Any idea? Anyone? Or are you guys planning to tell me the directly answer? Okay, yes sir, it is coming out right. Huh? Anyone? Jenu Ballari, Chitradurga, Davangiri, Thampur, Uttara Kannada, and Sriti, everyone, and on the people on the YouTube. Anyone? Anyone? I just need to hear what you guys think about this question, like how you want to proceed. Okay. Shall I tell you now? Okay. So let's see. Dekho, question again. This is representing a pair of straight line passing through the origin. So let's say one line is like y is equal to m1x. Another line is y is equal to m2x. Okay. So what I'm saying is, let's assume two lines which are passing through origin is y is equal to m1x, y is equal to m2x, right? So required line should have slope slope of minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon m2. This is what question saying. Represent a pair of line which are at right angle. So right angle lines are perpendicular, so it means one line should be perpendicular to this line, let's say L1, and another line should be perpendicular to this line, let's say L2. So if the line is perpendicular to L1, will have the slope minus 1 upon m1, and the line perpendicular to m2 will have slope of minus 1 upon m2. Clear? Okay, so now again this equation, I just want to focus on this equation. This equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Again representing a line, two line, one is have the slope m1, another will have the slope m2. Then quickly tell me what is the sum of slope. Remember in the last class I told you that just by seeing the combined equation we can comment on this slope, sum of slope. What is the sum of slope? Minus coefficient of xy minus 2h upon coefficient of y square. So minus 2h upon b, right? What is the product of slope? Coefficient of x square upon coefficient of y square. So a by b. Okay, these things we have already discussed in the class. Chalo. So required line should be, okay, if it is clear, so required line is, required line क्या होगा? Y is equal to line with have slope m1x, and another line should be y is equal to minus 1 upon m2x. Clear? Clear? So what is this line? This is nothing but x plus m1y is equal to 0, and this is line x plus m2y is equal to 0. Clear? So combined equation of line which is perpendicular, this sign is for perpendicular, which is perpendicular to line L1 which is y is equal to m1x, and L2 which is y is equal to m2x, is nothing but the product of these two lines. So x plus m1y into x plus m2y is equal to 0. So now just multiply kar do. What is this? X square plus what is this? xy coefficient is m1 plus m2 into xy plus m1 m2 y square is equal to 0. What is m1 plus m2? Minus 2h upon b. What is m1 m2? a upon b. So LCM ले लो, bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square is equal to 0. So this is the combined equation of the line which is perpendicular to the line which are represented with this equation. So this is what we have to prove, right? bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square equal to 0. So यही आ रहा है. So hence proved. Is this clear, everyone? Everyone, is this clear? Everyone tell me quickly in the chat box, is this clear or not? Yes, very good. Janvi, Chitra, Durga, and anyone else? Janvi, Thumkur, Davangiri, everyone tell me in the chat box quickly, is this clear? Or do you have any doubt regarding this? Okay, this question is very important. Okay, conceptually it's very, very important question. Okay. Okay. So it just started from the basic, right? Whatever the question is saying, we just assume that thing and we just started proceeding with the question, right? Question was saying that 2x square plus hxy plus by square equal to 0. It will represent some line because we know from our understanding. So the required line should be perpendicular to these line L1 and L2. So line मान लो फिर तो y should be minus 1 upon m1x. Another line should be y is equal to minus 1 upon m2x. Then find the combined equation. So looking at this equation, we can find the m1 plus m2 and m1 m2. We just plug those value in this equation, you will get the answer. Clear, everyone? Is this clear? Shall I proceed further, everyone? If you don't have any doubt, can I move forward? Okay. So if it is clear, then let's proceed to the next question. Yeah, this question. Yeah. So this question came in the JEE Mains 21. Okay. So question is find the image of point 3 comma y, the image of point 3 comma 5 in the line x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 lie on which of these following curve. Okay. I have already told you how to find the image of line. So I'm giving you 1 minute, everyone. Attempt this question quickly and let me know the answer. Which option is the correct? First, second, third, or fourth? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Which option is the correct one? Image of line निकालना आता है, सबको पता है. In the class, I have told you already. I have told you actually with the two method, right? One from the basic method and another one using the formula. Okay. So now let me know which option is the correct one. Everyone, which option is the correct one? You have 1 minute. Attempt this question, everyone. D. What is the image you are getting? Janvi Balari, can you tell me the image that you are getting from image of 3 comma 5 in the line? Janvi Balari, image of 3 comma 5 in this line is? Huh? So you didn't find the image, but you know the answer. How is this possible? Black magic, huh? Black magic. How is this possible if you are not able to find the image, but you are able to tell me the answer? So only thing that I can conclude is black magic. Huh? Is this the case? Okay, then let me tell you the answer. Okay. So everybody knows, right? Let's say this is the image. Let's say, let me do it in the fresh page. Okay. So this is the line L. Line kitna hai? X minus y plus 1. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And the point is 3 comma 5. Let's say this point is P 3 comma 5. Okay, we just need to find the image. So पता है image कहाँ पे होगा? Perpendicular on the opposite side at same distance. Around this. So this is equal. Okay, I have told you from the basic. So one method is slope of this line is 1. So slope of this PQ will be minus 1. So find the line PQ. Then solve the line PQ and line L to get this point. So this point M is the midpoint of P and Q. So you are able to find the Q. That is the method one. But I'm not going to do with that. Now I am using the direct formula. So it is 9 x minus 3 upon a. Remember x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. चमक रहा है दिमाग में? कुछ कुछ चमक रहा है? अब यही बताया था ना फॉर्मूला. So now using formula x1 y1 कितना है? 3 5. x1 y1 is 3 5. What is a? Coefficient of x 1. What is b? minus 1. Oh, screen is not visible. Okay, sorry. Yeah, now is it visible? Now is it visible, everyone? Okay, कुछ नहीं बोला. Okay, so I said that line equation of line is equation. The image of line can be found using this formula as we have discussed in the class, right? So x1 y1 is nothing but 3 5. A is 1, b is minus 1. So now using this equation, so we can say that x minus 3 upon 1 is equal to y minus 5 upon minus 1 is equal to minus 2 times a into x1. So 3 plus b into y1. So minus 5 plus 1 upon 1 square plus minus 1 square. इसको solve कर लेंगे. x minus 3 is equal to y minus 5 upon minus 1 is nothing but this is 4 minus 5 minus 1. So this is nothing but 1, right? So यहाँ से x कितना आ गया? x is 4, y is 4. So image is q, which is 4 4. So अब तो point ही आ गया. So now just substitute this value individually in each equation and see which is satisfying. So if you put 4 4 in equation 1, 4, 4. So 4 minus 2, 2 square plus 4 minus 4, 0 square, 2 square, which is 4. So equation 1 is the answer. Right? इसमें डालोगे तो 60 नहीं आएगा, तो इक्वेशन 2, 3, 4 को सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा, तो इक्वेशन 1 को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. क्लियर एवरीवन? इज दिस क्लियर? तो क्वेश्चन तो सिर्फ इमेज निकालने का था, राइट? इमेज पता चल गया तो बस नाउ यू जस्ट हैव टू सेटिस्फाई, check each individually each equation and see in which equation this point is satisfying. That's all. Clear? Is there any doubt in this question, everyone? Is there any doubt? Let's proceed. Okay, solution slide again. Okay, so this is the solution slide. Clear? Using the formula x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. x1, y1 और b को बस पुट कर दिया इक्वेशन में, we got the answer. Clear? Shall I proceed further, everyone? Let's proceed. Okay, next question. So this question, everyone, again, this question, locus of the midpoint of the perpendicular drawn from the point on the line on this drawn from the points on the line x is equal to y to the line x is equal to y. So this question came in the JEE Mains 2020. Okay, again I'm giving you 1 minute and everybody attempt this question quickly. 1 minute I'm giving you. Okay, locus of the point of perpendicular drawn from the point on x is equal to 2y to the line x is equal to y. Everybody start attempting this question. Everyone, you have 1 minute to solve this question. Let me know in the chat box what is the answer, which option is the correct option, A, B, C or D. Everyone, please attempt this question. Which option is the correct, A, B, C or D? Anyone? Yeah, attempt. Question is clear, right? Is there any doubt in the question? Question is pretty much clear from the given statement. Okay, I don't think I have need to explain anything else in this question. Okay. Is anybody got the answer? Question is very easy. Okay, very easy question. Okay. So, did you guys attempt this question? Anybody got the answer? Which option is the correct? A, B, C or D? Which option? A, B, C or D? Okay then. Let me tell you then the answer. Okay. A option. Okay. Let's see. चलो क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करते हैं, देखते हैं कौन सा आंसर आ रहा है. Okay. So student, let's say, yeah. Question is saying that perpendicular is drawn from the point on the line. Line is x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y. So y is equal to x by 2. Y is equal to x by 2. X is equal to 2y. Both are same, right? Okay. So one line clearly will pass through the origin, no doubt about it. X is equal to 2y line. Another line is y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. So other line will have the greater slope. Y is equal to x line ऐसे कुछ आ रही होगी, right? Okay, this is the line y is equal to x. Clear? So question is saying that draw locus of the midpoint of the perpendicular drawn from the point on the line this. Let's say any point, let's say P point is there, and I draw a perpendicular on this line. Okay, let's say this is Q point. So locus of the midpoint of perpendicular. So locus is, let's say H. So H is H comma K, such that this and this are equal. So ये बताना है हमें. Question is clear now? So from any point on line x is equal to 2y, I drop a perpendicular on the line y is equal to x, then that perpendicular length that we got, I need to find the locus of the midpoint of that perpendicular. That is the question saying. Okay. So let's solve this question then. So tell me student, x is equal to 2y. So let's assume any point. Let's assume that y is some point, let's say t. So x कितना जाएगा? 2t. So any point, general point on this line I can assume as 2t comma t. Clear? Is this clear everyone? है ना? Okay. So tell me student, what is the slope of this line? Okay, let's say this is line L1 and this is line L2. So L2 line and PQ line are perpendicular to each other, right? Are perpendicular to each other, right? So it implies slope of PQ into slope of L2 should be -1. What is the slope of PQ? What is the slope of PQ? So P and H, using these 2 points P and H, we can find the slope of PQ. So it is nothing but K minus T upon H minus 2T. Slope of L2 is clearly 1 is equal to -1. Clear? So this is equation 1. Is this clear everyone? Students, is this clear or not? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? Okay. So let's say any point using the midpoint theorem, let's say the q coordinate of q is xq comma yq. Okay. So we haven't used the fact that h point. Okay, I just said that slope PQ and line L2, this is line L2, are perpendicular because we have dropped the perpendicular. So these two lines should be perpendicular. So if two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slope should be -1. So slope of PQ can be given using the any 2 point on the line PQ. So P and H को use कर लिया. So this is K. So K minus T upon H minus 2T into slope of L2 is 1 equal to -1. Clear? Okay. Also this line, this H is the midpoint of P and Q. So XQ plus 2T by 2 कितना होना चाहिए? H होना चाहिए. तो यहां से XQ कितना आ गया? X coordinate of point Q 2H minus T. Similarly YQ plus T by 2 कितना होना चाहिए? K. So clearly YQ is 2K minus T. Clear? But XQ comma YQ are lying on line L2, which is X is equal to Y. So it implies 2H minus 2T. 2H minus 2T is nothing but 2K minus T. 2K minus T. तो यहां से T कितना आ गया? 2H minus 2K. This is equation 2. Is this clear? Chalo. If it is clear, so now let's solve this equation 1 further. Equation 1 क्या लिखा हुआ है? Equation 1 is K minus T upon H minus 2T is equal to -1. Right? Cross multiply कर दो. K minus T is nothing but minus H plus 2T. So यहाँ से कितना आ गया? K plus H is equal to 3T. Now put the value of T from equation 2 in equation this. So you will get H plus K is equal to 3 times 2H minus 2K. So H plus K is 6H minus 6K. So it implies 5H is equal to 7K. So now this is the locus, right? But now replace H with X, K with Y. So locus कितना आ गया? 5X is equal to 7Y. This is the answer. So which option is the correct option? 5x is equal to 7y. 5x is equal to 7y. So B option is the correct. Is this clear? Everyone in the chat box, tell me quickly in the chat box. Is this clear? Question is clear? Any doubt in this question? Any doubt? Everyone, tell me quickly in the chat box. Everyone, Janvi Balari, Tumkor, Davangiri, everyone, Sweetie, everyone. Is this question clear? Or do I need to repeat this question again? All clear, right? Okay. Okay. So let's proceed to the next question if it is clear. Okay. So shall I proceed? Okay. So let's proceed. Let's solve this question. Okay. Again, this question also came in the JEE Mains 2020. The length of perpendicular from the origin on the normal to the curve. Normal means if I think nobody knows the word normal, right? Normal means the perpendicular. Okay. देखो अभी तुम्हें नॉर्मल का डीप मीनिंग जानने का जरूरत नहीं है. You just need to know that let's say there is any curve, let's say this. If I want to find the normal at let's say point P, how I will find? First of all, I will draw a tangent from on the curve at point P. So this is tangent at P. So normal on the curve at point P is nothing but the length of perpendicular line to the tangent which is passing through the point P. That's all. So this is normal at P. That's it. That is the meaning of normal. इससे ज्यादा इस क्वेश्चन में और कुछ चाहिए भी नहीं. Length of perpendicular from the origin on the normal to the curve x square plus 2xy minus 3y square equal to 0 at point 2, 2. This curve is given. So you just need to first find the equation of the normal. So whatever the equation of normal you get on this point 2, 2, you just first then find the perpendicular from the origin. That's all. Clear? Question is clear, everyone? Okay, then you have again 1 minute, solve this question. Let me know the answer. Again, solve this question, everyone. Tell me the answer. Everyone. So if you look at the curve, it is not some weird curve. Okay, I promise you. You already know this curve. This is a homogeneous equation in degree 2. So it means this represents a 2 line passing through the origin. Okay, I have told you already in the class, if you have a homogeneous equation of degree n, then that will represent n straight lines passing through origin. Okay, in this case we have homogeneous equation of degree 2. So this is representing 2 lines which are passing through origin. Okay, so if you are smart enough, you can factorize this and get the line itself. Okay, so tell me the answer then. Question is very easy. Okay, question is very easy, no doubt about it. Tell me the answer quickly in the chat box. Tell me the answer. Which option is the correct? A, B, C or D? Which option do you think, guys? Everyone. What is the answer, everyone? Okay. Chalo, let me solve this question then. Okay. So the question is the length of perpendicular, the curve is given x square plus 2xy minus 3y square. Okay. So option C is the answer. Option C, 2 root 2. Okay. Let me check. I will keep that in mind that Janvi Balari said option C. Okay. So let's solve this. So x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. So this is the curve. Okay. So factorize this curve. Factorize karo. So if you multiply minus 3 x square add करने पे 2xy. So 3 into 1. So minus xy plus 3xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. So x is common, x minus y, 3y is common, so x minus y. So this is nothing but x minus y and x plus 3y is equal to 0. So L1 is x minus y is equal to 0. Second line is x plus 3y is equal to 0. So it means this curve is representing these two lines L1 and L2. So if you quickly represent this line on the Cartesian plane x, y, so x is equal to y. Slope line का 1 है, so this line should be L1. X equal to y. X plus 3y equal to 0. This line has a slope minus 1 by 3. So it means slope is negative. So line will make obtuse angle with the positive x-axis. So this will be L2. X plus 3y is equal to 0. So from which point we need 2, 2. So clearly 2, 2 will lie on the L1 only, right? This is the point P, 2, 2. So perpendicular on this line, let's say this is some line. 1 second. Okay, perpendicular on this line. Perpendicular on this line is like this, right? This line. What is this line? L. So line L is line which is passing through the 2, 2 and perpendicular to the given line. So slope of M1 कितना है? 1. So slope of L1 into slope of L should be minus 1 because both are perpendicular, right? What is slope of L1? Slope of line L1 कितना है? 1. So 1 into slope of L should be minus 1. So slope of line L is minus 1. So now the equation of L is line L is y minus y1 is equal to slope which is minus times minus 1 into x minus x1. So x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the line L. X plus y is equal to 0. So perpendicular distance from 0, 0 on L is t is equal to, put the point, sorry, it is 4, right? Put the point on the line 0, 0. So 0 plus 0 minus 4 upon under root of a square plus b square. So this is nothing but 4 upon root 2. So this is a 2 root 2. So this is your answer, 2 root 2. So which option? C option. Yes, very good, Janvi Balari. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So C is the right answer. Very good. Clear everyone? Questions देखो कितना easy था. देखो, now you tell me, if somebody does not know the fact that this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2, so for him it will be a very difficult question, right? Yes or no? He will just think that, he or she will think that it's some general equation. Then they will first find the the tangent at this point using the dy by dx, right? And then they will find the slope of normal and then again equation. So it shouldn't be like that. Directly you can able to find this. Okay, clear? Shall we proceed further if this question is clear? Okay, so now let's solve one more question. Okay, one more question. Yeah, I have this question in my mind. Yeah, this question, everyone. Question is saying that a triangle ABC lying in the first quadrant, okay, and has a vertices. A is 1, 2, B is 3, 1. So angle BAC is 90 degrees. So the triangle ABC is right angle at vertex A. And the area of triangle is 5 root 5 square unit. Then the abscissa of vertex, sorry. So abscissa of vertex C निकालना है. So abscissa means x coordinate. This means x coordinate. Clear? This means x coordinate. Clear? So this is the question asking. So you have again 1 minute, solve this question and let me know the answer. Okay. Question is clear, right? Area of triangle is given, right angle triangle information is given, area and the two vertices is given. Then they are just asking you to find the x coordinate. Okay, you have 1 minute. Everyone, start attempting this question. Start attempting this question. You have 1 minute. Everyone, what is the answer? Tell me quickly. A, B, C, or D. Which is the answer? Okay. Let's see who will tell me the right answer. Everyone, tell me. Can anybody tell me the approach? Like how do you start even thinking how to find this vertices C? So quickly let me know the answer. Everyone. Okay, let's see here. Everyone, please focus here. So the triangle is ABC and there are two vertices. A is 1, 2 and B is 3, 1. So let's say A vertices is 1, 2 and B is 3, 1. So 3, 1, let's say somewhere here. Okay, 3, 1. So everybody knows this, the triangle should be in the first quadrant. Okay, so maybe triangle is like this. Okay, because it have to be right angle at C point. Okay, so let 1 second, let me do it again. Okay, so I was saying a triangle should be like this, somewhere here. Okay, this is point C. So this is triangle ABC. That's all. Clear? Is this clear, everyone? Okay, triangle have to be in the first quadrant, so that's why. Okay, so everyone, plus tell me what is the slope of AB. The 2 point is given, then finding the slope is not a very difficult thing. So 2 minus 1, A point is 1, 2 and B point is 3, 1, 3, 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 upon 1 minus 3, so which is minus half. So it implies slope of AC कितना हो जाएगा? Negative reciprocal of slope of AB, because AC and AB are perpendicular, so slope of AC should be 2. Okay, so the AC is a line. AC is a line which is passing through. देखो, AC is a line passing through 1A, which is 1, 2, and has inclination of, let's say this is slope which is theta. So theta tan inverse 2 आ जाएगा, inclination of theta, right? Okay, so can anybody tell me, we have discussed in yesterday's class parametric equation of line. So let's say this is theta, so theta is tan theta is 2, so this is 2, this is 1, so this should be √5. So any point on the line, let's say this AC is at a distance R point. Okay, let C is at a distance R from A. Okay, so C point can be given as x1 plus R cos theta and y1 plus R sin theta. So what is cos theta? 1 by √5. What is sin theta from this triangle? 2 upon √5. So C can be written as x1 plus R cos theta, comma y1 plus R sin theta. Clear? So this is the C point. C point कितना आ गया? 1 plus R by √5, comma 2 plus 2R √5. Is this clear? Is this clear? If we can find R, then we can get the C coordinate. That's all. Okay. So for finding R, one more information is given: area. Area of triangle is half base into height. What is base? With respect to this triangle, base is, let's say, AB. Doesn't matter. Base into height. Height will be AC. and the area is given. How much is the area? 5 root 5. 5 root 5, that's all. So 1 by 2 into what is AB? Distance between these 2 points. AB is, तो मेरे को यहाँ पे एक बार AB लिख लेने दो. Okay, AB is under root of 2 square minus under root of 2 minus 1 का whole square, which is 1, plus 3 minus 1 का whole square, which is 4. So AB is root 5. Okay, point A is 1, 2. Point B is 3, 1. What is AC? AB is root 5. What is AC? Under root of A, this coordinate minus this coordinate. So 1 plus R by root 5 minus 1 का whole square plus 2 plus 2R upon root 5 minus 2 का whole square, which is 5 root 5. Clear? So root 5 by 2 into this is R square under root of R square by 5 plus 4R square upon 5 is equal to 5 root 5. So this is nothing but 5R square upon 5 under root of R square, which is R. So root 5 by 2 into R is 5 root 5. So यहाँ से R कितना आ गया? R is 10. Is this clear? Is this clear? R is 10. So it implies x coordinate of C is 1 plus R root 5. So this is nothing but 1 plus 2 root 5. Okay, this is the answer. That's all. What is the answer? Then 1 plus 2 root 5. B option. Clear? Everyone? Is this clear? Students, so B option is the correct option. Any doubt, students? Any doubt with this question? Tell me quickly in the chat box. Is there any doubt? Okay. So see, in this question, we use the parametric equation of line, right? So if you know all the concept, then these type of questions can be done, right? Okay. So parametric equation, who could have thought starting of the question that we are going to use the parametric equation, right? But as the situation arises, then we should keep our option open. Okay. Okay, it's not like there will be some specific question that in their question only you can use parametric. No. If you are able to think that, yeah, there is a possibility that we can use the parametric equation of the line, so use it. So why not? Okay. So that's why we study so many different concepts that we never know which concept can be useful during the question. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? So the B option is the correct. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Otherwise, that's all for today, everyone. Thank you. So this is your straight line chapter. Okay. This is your straight line. So in the next class, we are going to start with the circle. Okay. So we will now continue with the coordinate geometry. Okay. So now from the next class, we will start the circle. Okay. So thank you, everyone. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. So we will meet in the next class. Okay. Bye, everyone. So I will give you some 2 questions as your homework. One is this question, and other one is I have pointed out somewhere. Yeah. So this question only. So okay. So keep attempting the questions. Okay, more and more. So in the next class, we'll start the straight line. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Take care. Bye, everyone.